Hey guys, welcome back to my video. This is my first video, guys. If you guys want me to do a part 2 or play another game, make sure to comment down below. And if you're wondering, this is on a mobile, so you can only request for mobile games. And today I'm going to just play a Pinata event. I'm just going to end the video right here. So we got seagulls and chickens. Alright, let's see how it goes. So we got lightning reed and we got purple for the seagulls. Alright, this is good. I'm assuming we're only going to get these two kinds, so yeah. And guys, let me know if the audio is doing good. And yeah. And if the recording is kind of laggy, then don't worry, I'll improve it and find another recorder. Since this is just my first recording. Okay, the sound is kind of loud, so I'm gonna decrease it. Alright, so far doing good, and yeah, there's a bunch of chickens. Okay, that was so loud, I don't know if you guys can hear me just now, but yeah. Oh my god, that was chaos. Absolute chaos, man. Okay, I'm sorry guys if you guys can't hear me just now, because that was extremely loud, like seriously. So guys, I'm going to end the video right here. I know it's short, but I want to know if you guys like this gameplay and want me to do more. And 5 likes for another video. You guys can either want me to do a part 2 or comment what other game should I play. No, I'm not going to play this one. And guys, I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Send money.